Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my first video game development log, or thing, whatever I'm gonna call this, I'm not sure yet. So I'm currently developing a 2D platformer multiplayer game. It's pretty simple for now. All you can really do is walk around and jump around and stuff. There's not much gameplay yet, but that's stuff to come in the future, I guess, hopefully. Before we continue, I would like to throw a disclaimer. The art that you can see, like the character and the background art, is not actually made by me. I'm using it as a placeholder just to show off a couple of things. The character, I think, belongs to is actually the default character for in like an animation program called Spine, which is what I use for animations. And the background, like the trees and stuff, I actually bought that from the Unity asset store, even though I'm not using Unity. So anyway, I've actually been working on this for quite a while, and the reason for that is I'm actually using my own engine. I'm writing this from scratch, which is part of the reason I'm going to start doing these development logs so you guys can see what's new and what stuff I added and stuff. So as you can see, right now it's really simple. Like there's not much gameplay at all. Like you can jump around and stuff. So this program's also written in C++. I'm using the Qt or Qt, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Framework for this, a GUI framework. I'll be doing a future video on this, but you can sort of see what's up. So to go over this really quickly, essentially you can put sprites on different layers, sprites and not only sprites, like lights and stuff. You can see that here. You can just drag it around. It's got like undo, redo. It's mostly like a basic level editor at this point. It doesn't really have any advanced features, but it works for now. Some collision stuff. How do I even do this? I forgot how to use my own program. This build is like literally a year old. I haven't worked on this in like a year. So there's stuff that's like not quite working as it should anymore, but you know, it's good for now, I guess. This is collision, by the way. You can also put like different shapes of collision, I think. How do you do that again? Oh, that's a circle. So as you can see, it's got some basic particle effects as well. If I can show that, I'm not sure. There's fire. Maybe like a cool thing I can do in the future is show some sort of time lapse of like actually creating a level in this thing. So what other features are there? There's some, like you can edit the skybox. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, it's like an infinite tiling skybox thing. It's also moving, so it's nice. What else is there? There's lighting, there's particles, sprites. Actually, it actually has a tile system as well, so you could make like a Mario game in this if you wanted to. I forgot where the tile textures are. Oh, here they are. Well, these textures I actually did do myself, which is why they're ugly as hell. Like you can lay tiles like this. Oh, they're bright. Well, that's because there's a light there. Obviously these tiles are also affected by the lighting in the scene, because there's a light here. You can probably see that. Like it's pretty bright here. You can also like select them and copy and paste them and delete them. These also work in layers, as you can see on the left here. I'm currently on this layer, but you can also put them on like a parallax, like in a foreground. That was a huge lag spike there. For example, if I put them here, if I copy paste them here, you can see they're actually like in the foreground. So overall, this is very early in development, but I like most of the work I did do already is on the engine itself. But now that's about like we're getting to a point where it's actually a usable engine now. I can actually start working on the game itself. So obviously it's very early in development right now. There's not that much you can do. So in the next few videos, are probably gonna be like a summary of what I've already done, because there's quite a lot done. Even though there's not much gameplay, there's actually quite a lot done already. And after that, I'll sort of do development logs. You know, sort of make videos as I develop new stuff. Right now I can't actually show you the newest build because it's not actually running. And I didn't want this to delay this video any longer, so I just grabbed it like a 2-month-old build where I could just run around a little and at least show something. Because I'm currently working on some of the networking backend. Like I'm reworking all of that. So obviously I can't even log in on the like live build at this point. So, but once I'm done with that, I should be able to show you some stuff on the new build, which is obviously more exciting than this one where you can't actually do anything. But we'll see. We'll keep that for future video. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment below if you like. I always appreciate feedback or anything at all. I'll see you guys for the next video, I guess. Bye.